Hello and welcome to this episode of Country Walks.
Where are we going? I've been really cold.
What? It's like 30 degrees out there.
Really shivery. I'm going to get a jumper. Oh, that's better. So where are we going again?
We're going to a place called Ebernoe.
Never heard of it.
Let's just get on with it.
This circular route explores the ancient woodland of Ebernoe Common and Willand Wood, beginning and ending at St Michael's Church. The area is nationally important for its wildlife, with exceptional bird life and one of the UK's strongest bat populations.
Hello, and here we are about 3 or 4k into the walk, about another 5k to go. It's very hot today. It's probably about 28 degrees for English people. This is like a heat wave. We all think we're going to die, of heat exhaustion. So we bought plenty of water, and I've chosen this route on purpose because there's plenty of shade.
Thank you for watching this episode of Country Walks. If you'd like to know more about this walk and others, please go to countrywalks.co.uk.